Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Ben Charles, founder of the Teach Me to Fish Effects trading community, and just come to you guys with another inspirational video. It's a little late right now, or early, depending upon your perspective, but I want to show you guys that we've almost doubled this account. It is a small account, and so just trying to show you guys that it does not take a lot of money. Okay, all it takes is knowledge and know-how undergirded with patience. Let patience be the foundation. But what we have here is a few um, 4-hour daily, weekly, and monthly positions, and yeah, so these are all 10-cent lot sizes, and it doesn't take a lot to double an account or to have some type of significant gain. So yeah, if you guys are struggling, if you need some dots connected, head over to the community and sign up, and we'll get you trained and get you going. So may 2020 be your best year yet. I apologize, I'm a little under the weather, but gotta keep the content going, gotta keep the inspiration flowing. So until next time, as always, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. And happy bill fishing. Bye bye.